guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trushna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Basically I try and incorporate everything on my channel. So if this is your interest area, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because subscription is absolutely free. And it's been a while that I did a vlog. Today is actually Holi and it's a holy day. So I planned to color my walls. I had planned this for really long. I still have my studio room to be done, so I want to color that room as well, but somehow we ran short of the supplies. Like while we were doing the coloring, we broke our brush, as well as the amount of color that we required has reduced a lot. So I need to do my studio wall. I'm finishing my bedroom wall. This is my bedroom wall, and as you can see, it's just halfway done, and it's more of a pastel kind of a color because I don't know, maybe I'm just a little too obsessed with pastel these days. Though I want a little dark color for my studio room, and I'm just gonna do one wall. If possible, I will try and do some artwork, only if possible, because I don't know as of now how much stamina I have to do that. So yeah, that's the thing, and I'll keep you guys, I'll show you all the snippets that we are doing in between. As of now, my hands have color and a lot of things. I've washed my hands, I keep washing my hands because of all the color that is there. Also, I do not have a stool, so we are literally using a chair to climb up and finish the coloring, but it's just done halfway because we broke our brush. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I don't know if the shops are open right now to get the products, but I hope we get the brushes and we can continue our work. Hi guys, good morning. Today is day 2 of the makeover. As you can see right here, I have finished 2 leaves, but now I have a master class at 12 o'clock with Lakme. So I'm going to continue with this post the master class maybe, but there was a small little tragedy that happened last night. So this is the room where usually Bubbles and Theo sleep. For people who do not know who these notorious kids are, they are basically my small little turtles, and they sleep in this room because it's much safer out here instead of just keeping them outside, because they have a habit of knocking the doors while we are sleeping. They literally use their paws and hands to scratch on the door and wake us up really early. They've done that in past as well. So I was somehow skeptical to make them sleep over here, because I don't know, I felt that no, this is not the right place, at least for yesterday night, to make them sleep over here, because I don't know, I just didn't feel right, because obviously everything was just scattered all around, and I don't know, and Pratik is like, no, it's okay, it's fine, just make them sleep, they're just gonna sleep, they'll be, they'll be fine, they'll not do anything. But to my surprise, I mean I'm not surprised. I'll show you what did they do actually. So this is the black color that you can see right here, that is spoiled, and it goes like this. I guess it is stuck to his leg, and he just roamed around the whole room like this, and yeah, like spoiled half of the things. And obviously it's an acrylic paint and not a water paint like watercolors, where everything will come off. I spent like my early morning cleaning his feet and his hands because the color was not coming off. Now I have to sit and clean all of this before I start coloring again. So I still have like leaves right here. I don't know if the camera, you can see a very little silhouette that's there. So I still have this one to complete, and this one also right here. This one also needs the completion. Now I don't know what color should I go for, because they have, so yesterday I finished the green and like there was a darker green as well, so I've almost finished that, and now my black is spilled all over the place, so I have very little of black. So I hope I can complete this, because I wanted to use black as in, like, you know, like what do you call these, just like borders, so it gives more finished look. But now I don't know if I will be able to use it, because I cannot mix acrylic water, I cannot mix acrylic colors with water, because that's how the formula is. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
Product that is given to you. Okay, for example, if I talk about this moisturizer that I have with me, okay, this is the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro moisturizer. Now when I look at this moisturizer, I don't even have to like open this bottle. I can already tell that this is going to be a gel based moisturizer.
So finally, after like 4 days, the artwork, the mural work is complete. Actually it took 4 days, the reason being like I took a break in between, like for a day I was not there and I was busy with other things. So I just had an issue with completing this particular leaf right here, which I completed last night, and the marker was not available with me handy, so I was waiting for the marker. Though I actually I'm not sure how much of it the camera is picking up, like the detailing of the marker, but yes, it has like a black detailing to it. So if you can see now, it's much more cleaner as compared to previously. I feel like it was more shabby before, because even during our childhood days we used to have this, you know, black outline to our drawing figures to give it more cleaner look. So that's how it is looking right now, and I finally put my swing back as well, so it looks really pretty now. So if I take a picture from here, it would be like just like a very aesthetic looking, very tropical vibe with this particular swing. So apart from that, there are certain packages that came in the mail this time. So this is from Paula's Choice, and these are the products that they sent me, like balancing out the AHAs and the BHAs and all the skincare basically. Another package is also a skincare package, which is from Pixie. This is how it looks like. So this is the priming oil. I tried this yesterday and it was pretty amazing. So this is how it looks like. And then we have an under eye brightener, which is like this. So more of a eye serum kind of thing, but which brightens up your under eye. And the rest two products which are secured very tightly, I'm unable to remove them. So this one is the lip brightener, and this one is a brightening perfector, more of a tone correct, which is a vitamin boost for complexion protection. So yeah, these are the 4 products that Pixie sent me. Apart from that, there is one more package all the way from LA. This is again a Colourpop package that came in. So in case if you have missed out my previous video about the serum blushes by Colourpop. You can go click link somewhere right here and check out the review of those Colourpop serum blushes. So this is the Bambi collection that they sent me. So there are like 3 different palettes, a nice powder highlighter. This one is the one I'm most excited to try. These are their lip glosses and 3 different colors, and the name is Bambi, Flower and Thumper. This is the same name as their palettes. The palettes are also named the same way, Bambi, Thumper and Flower. And they have also sent me these. These are the eye pencils, and this is how it looks like. And last but definitely not the least are these fall lashes that they sent me in this particular package. They also sent me one more package, and this is their lemon cello, if that's how you pronounce it. It's lemon cello. When life gives you lemon, make lemon cello. I'm just gonna fumble over here. So this is yet to be explored. So all you gotta do is simply subscribe to my channel, and I'll be reviewing this soon. This is more of a mystery box kind of thing, so I'm gonna show you in my next video. So all you gotta do is subscribe and stay connected. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mural painting with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video as well, which is a little different from what I usually make. And it took me a lot of time to do this artwork, but I still have a lot to do in this room. I will be shooting this I will be shooting a lot more footage for the room decor that I'm planning to do. And yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a big fat thumbs up. If you're planning to recreate, do tag me in the same, and I would love to see your recreations. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up. I will be making a lot of more videos around the room tour and decorating and home decor and all of that, but that will be sticking to my studio room, not beyond that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed with this video. If you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up, and if you're yet not subscribed to my YouTube, please do subscribe, because subscription is absolutely free. And if you're yet not following me on any of my social medias, link down below, please do hit that follow button as well. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself, wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask and go out, and miss me.